Sorry about that, I had an emergency call coming in. So, you heat it up for about 10 to 15 seconds, not minutes, else we'll be waiting here all day. I was correct when this was my correct. Now I'm gonna guess what happens next. Well, I know what happens next. You gotta stir it. That means getting a new fork. No. I say let it cool down first, but right now I'm just feeling like if I get all that mixed. Right. I'm gonna keep mine in for an extra 5 seconds. The longer you keep it in there, the more liquid it's gonna get. That's kind of what the point of doing this. Getting it liquidy, all soft and squishy. Extra layer of cling film. Sure. Just make sure. Make sure it's all. I'm going to put it in for an extra 5 seconds. I'm putting it in for an extra 5 seconds because I need to make sure it's fully done. Every time it's done, yeah? I'm going to keep this. This. Just in case we need to do it again. Hopefully we don't, because I kind of... I'm that type of person, yeah, that will not wait. I am one of those excitable people that are excited. Get excited a lot. This is at a power of 100. Okay. Oh, by the way, there's going to be 2 parts. Due to it's not much. Not much in here. Let's try and learn this. Some more. Now, you're probably thinking I might change my channel name, and you're right, I might actually change my channel name to Anime Dragon Vlogs. And I have my Anime Dragon Gamer, and also I got my first package delivered to me from Amazon, and it's 2 Anime Dragon Girl, so yeah. Or I might just keep it as I Know Dragon Girl. Otherwise I'm not going to get auto packages like that again. So it's going to take a lot to convince me to. No, I don't know anything about this, so I'm just going to take my wild guess. It's still gloopy. I should let it cool down first. Now I'm not using a spoon. I'm using a fork because a fork is a lot better. It's on an orangey colour. Shaving gel. I'm back. Alright. You've been seeing my cat's butt for the last few seconds I've gone. Now, I just said something keeps things together. I'm pretty sure this is just a fail in general. The foam egg, I'm not the best. So, wait. Let's try something else. Oh, it's sticky. Well, I could try jam. It makes it all better. Just leave it for a bit. It's ended up as a goo. Cool, I made a goo instead. Not my objective, but So it's still warm. So it's just cooling down right now. I'm just gonna keep messing with it. Come on, idiot. Try and find this plastic spoon. I'm gonna try something. cat. Can you see it? No, I don't. Sorry about that, Harley. Can I do a magic trick? Sorry about that, Harley. Harley is my favourite. Cat is a cat that I own. Oh, it's time to clean up a mess. So I'm going to put everything I used back to how it's supposed to be. Zigbee Limited! What about the rubbish? Well, the rubbish goes in the bin. It's rubbish. That. Well, that's just going to stay with me for as long as I eat it until it turns into a slime. I want to grow up. Let's try some of this. Try some of this. Some hair gel. No, wait, I'm going to try some actual hair gel here. Now, hair gel. Wait, listen. Two types of hair gel. Put it all for me. We'll do this one. This one's this because I want to make more of a slime. Well, look at that. That's a slimy texture. Has a very peculiar smell to it. Doesn't smell like it's supposed to be alive. I want that type of texture. I usually add in hair gel. Hair gel is actually a sticky substance. I'm actually glad my mum bought me this hair gel now. I liked hair gel. Going against the people that actually use hair gel in their normal lives. Just don't like it. See? Now that is slime. That is slime, man. It smells nice, actually. I can see you like that. Sorry about that. Look on the other side. This is mainly considered of hair gel. Okay, so I need more of a... Let's try some of this hair gel. Actually, this is Ultra Smoothing Cream. Great. I like bar. I like bar. What are you thinking? What the fuck is this? Do hair products have to do with making slime? That's what's in the hair product. It really amazes me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!